Blocks another kick. Over.
No, his nose is already moving. Left hook. No, his nose is already moving. Left hook right at the bell. Oh, attack Pereira. That may be it.
When it just keep punting with the hands like that.
Shot from Pereira. Drop Dustin Jacoby. Looking to make history here.
Flat line.
In San Diego, it eased by Pereira. Left hook drops Wellness.
Ó, sei. É desse lado, olha só. Olha como castiga. Vai, acabou a luta. Acabou a luta.
Won in his last four, so this run to the title fight is
Very impressive, but down he goes. A little bit more, but I think he's hurt. That left kick ended. And now Simon Barnes. Oh, and he got caught with a left. Being the warrior he is, said, you know what, I'm just going to throw my hands a little bit, and then left hook.
Cruzado de direita. Veja como ele vai. De novo. Aí o upper. A direita na sequência.
ended up getting him that TKO finish.
Oh, high kick. Wow.
Pereira had it.
And now Pereira go for the what a leaping knee. Down twice, and Jason will.
Brings that right leg up thinking it's coming, but then he switched it down that left one. It was
真漂亮，能打到黑龙了。
O Alex conseguiu uma importante votação. Lucas Pereira, espetacular. Uau.
I do like where Pereira caught him with Aura, closing in, and he gets a shot off after the bell. Whoa. On a right hand, buckles Belgarwi. He almost went down. Can Pereira close the show? Belgarwi gonna be given an 8 count. Kick over. Kick over and out of Alex Pereira on full.
Loads his hips like a corkscrew and winding up rubber bands. That's where the power is generated.